Now we have two ways to learn Microsoft Project. So student A, he wants to learn plenty of functions. Most of them will never be used. He gets frustrated and slow because he's using all those functions. He finds errors that he doesn't even understand. He ends up frustrating others because the schedule is not accurate and is very slow to come and a very high maintenance. And he gets caught into that loop. He feels that he has to learn more functions and then get frustrated again and then frustrate others again. And after a while, he really sees the light and realizes that too much time is spent on maintenance, that the schedule is often inaccurate, and that he cannot build long schedule. Now let's take student B. He only learns the few but necessary functions. He investigates and finds out which ones are important. He keeps practicing those functions until he masters them. And this is the way to go. This is how you learn Microsoft Project. And at the end of the day, he's fast, he's accurate, very efficient. He can write complex schedules, he's very respected, and is happy ever after. And it takes them around 2 weeks to get a very good level of Microsoft Project. Why? Because there is a myth. And what is this myth? The myth is you need to know complex functions to be able to produce a complex schedule. And it's exactly the opposite. I've seen students fail so many times on this. You have to master a few. You have to perfect a few of those functions. So I have a link in the description of this video if you're interested to take this course. But even if you don't want to take this course, the way to learn Microsoft Project is progressively, little by little, and just learn maybe 5-6 functions to start with, and it will be more than enough for you to do very good schedule.